on the switches.
No, the switches are lined for us.
We're going to the other side. Careful, further one by.
You said we're going down the Tiger now.
Edge of that curve on the other side of Belington Yard.
Can you repeat that, Lars?
The curve just on the west side of Belington Yard.
Curve west side of Belington Yard, understood.
Yeah, okay. Let's do it now while the sun's out. Yeah, I live here to play smoke here so people can see all the stuff that's on that. But other than that, it's just a matter of going down there.
Oh, it's slow.
Copy.
Great. Let's see, I just got that car there, Bob. That came with the sleeper cars. There's that other tank car. That's the one we got from the museum.
That's the one the truck hit.
Marionville. Oh, Marionville. Oh, okay. There's the ready cars. The sleepers are over there. This is a nice car here. That was off the ARC train. You remember the ARC train?
Yep. Got pictures of that up there.
And this is the Texas Eagle car. This is Southern baggage car. These came out on the Lancaster and Chester. This is Northern baggage. And this is the milk car. It's got two 4,000 gallon stainless.
Stop up here at the crop and I'll flag you across.
I don't know how Sanford ever got that. Two cars. I don't know how Sanford ever got that 302 out now. Two cars. He's sweet talking that guys. One car.
Pass 20 feet. 15, 10, and anywhere in there will do. And 82, that was a good roll ball on your fireman's side.
Thank you, Mac.